Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk through the steps to replace the handlebar on DNA series models. Whether you're upgrading or simply replacing a worn-out handlebar, this guide will help you do it right. First things first, let's start by loosening the 4 fixing screws located at the front of the stem. These screws hold the cover plate in place. Use an appropriate screwdriver or Allen wrench to turn the screws counterclockwise. Once loosened, you can easily remove the cover plate to access the handlebar. Carefully slide the handlebar out. Remember, if your handlebar has throttle grips and brake levers attached, refer to our specific after-sales videos for the DNA series for guidance on how to handle these components. Now, take your new handlebar and position it in place. Make sure it's aligned properly for a comfortable riding position. Once the handlebar is in place, it's time to put the cover plate back on. Align it correctly and start screwing the bolts back in. A crucial tip here, make sure to tighten the screws in a diagonal pattern. This cross-tightening method ensures an even distribution of pressure and a secure fit. Keep tightening until the screws are snug, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could strip the threads. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the handlebar on your DNA series vehicle. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. If you have any questions, or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. Ride safely and see you next time.